Hello and welcome to Elementio. In this video, I'm going to give you a detailed walkthrough of how to get started with Elementio. So basically in the dashboard you have 5 icons. Number 1 is create new campaign. Number 2 is the list of all your campaigns. Number 3 is the WordPress plugin, which is a pro feature. And number 4 are tutorials. Number 5 is the support desk. Now when you're just getting started, you want to go ahead and create a new campaign. So in the campaign name, you want to put something that will help you recognize what that specific campaign is for. So let's say if I'm creating this demo, just for this video, I'm going to name it Elementio Demo. And the link path is the path that Elementio will give you as a slug for a promoting link. Okay, so you can put anything in the link path. Well, you're going to put, in the link path, you're going to put the website that you want to load. So that goes in the link path. Now we do have this really cool trending feature here. It grabs from different resources the trending content on the internet. It's really cool. But I'm just going to go here with a custom link for now. And we're going to go, let's say, entrepreneur.com. We'll just hit the load button. And voila, that page is going to load for you right there. And you're just going to put all of your elements over it. So I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of the elements we have. We have many elements. We have the notify box, product box, video box, delay pop-ups, countdown timers, on-exit pop-ups, and custom image, and embed code, retargeting pixel, and here's your metadata. Metadata. So let's say that I want to put a notification box on my page right now. I'm going to click on this and change the headline here. And this is a headline. You can put anything here. And we'll change the button text to this is your button text. Now to change the image, you just have to click on image right over here, and it will load the library over here. If you've already uploaded some images, that will display right here. But if you don't have images loaded, then you can easily upload from over here. And I'll just, let's say, head over to my dashboard, and I'll upload a random image here. And let me just quickly go through here. Let's see, I've got this clip art here of a lion. And I'm just going to select this, and it'll pop up over here. Now in the redirect link, you want to put the link that you want your audience to be redirected to when they click the button. So I'm just going to put it Google, and you can put the delay second of the pop-up notification box to appear. And you can even make the button link to open in a new tab. And you can play with the styling, change the fonts, you can change the colors. I'm going to choose red here. And once you're done, okay, you've got animations over here. You've got different kinds of animations that you can choose from. We've got 3 kinds of notifier boxes, so you can pretty much choose from any one of these, and once you're done, you can click this activate button and it will display right here. And let's say if you're stuck somewhere and you need a quick demo, you just go over here and it will show you a beautiful video, just a quick video, minute long, and it'll help you to go through all of that. Just hit the save button once you're done, and you can drag the notify box on your screen anywhere you want. So I'm just going to put it right here for now. Let's say I want a Pullbox. Okay, so we have two features in the Pullbox, a multiple choice question and a free text. So just going to go here with multiple choice question for now, and let's give it a 5-second delay now. So we're going to change the headline. It's just simple, just click on the headline. So we'll say, who will win this amazing contest? And just to change the image, you can select any image from your library and upload it. And then we can change the button text here. I'll just say submit. And you can just style it as you wish. Maybe we'll select a little bit darker color here. And we'll get something here. Yeah, that's good. And once you're satisfied with the styling, then you can go ahead and check the animation. So you can retain the polling option right here. And you can put up to 6 different options. I'm just going to go with, let's say, 4 right now. We're going to do Exhibit A, Exhibit D, Exhibit B, and Exhibit C. And once you're done, it's the same thing. You just hit this activate button and then save it, and you can drag it anywhere you want. And you know, we have a couple of more things here. So we have, you can put any kind of text here in your green board or black board or white board, whatever you call it, but that board anyways. Put whatever text you want in there. You can select different characters. So I'm just going to type this as a text, replace this if you want. So you can put whatever text you want in there. And we'll just give it a link to redirect it when they click. Let's say we want to do a 6 seconds. Oh, we also have some female avatars and mascots right here for you. And once you're done with that, you can even change this to a whiteboard and make it a different color. Change the text color. And just make that color as you want it. It's just really easy to change stuff and to fit your requirements, really. Just fit it to what you need there. I'm going to put a little bit, just kind of show you that there. Let's just kind of change some fonts here. We'll just say Century Erotic, and we'll do 16 pixels here. And I can even select the text online from right here, and if I'm not satisfied with the size, I'm just going to make it a bit shorter. So it looks perfect now, and once you're done, you can also add animations and switch it on and save it. And you can put it anywhere on the wall you want now. That's pretty much how everything goes. And I'm just going to show you a quick demo of the product box as well. This is pretty much the best feature in Elementio, and I really like it personally. So let's say this is a lion, right? So we'll say this is a lion, want to get one delivered to you. Of course, order now. And you can put, you know, different prices in here. You can change the currency as well. And if you also, the best feature is if you want to give like a 15% discount, it'll automatically calculate the price and display it for you. And you can give the offer an expiry date if you wish, expiry time. And you'll just put the link that the buyer will redirect to and change the button text. And let's say maybe a delay of 5 seconds here. You can also change, we're just going to kind of keep this the same, but you can add animations. I'm going to hit activate and save it. And here's the product box. Now let's say you're not satisfied with what you just made and you want to throw all of this out. So you want to start fresh, start over. So you're just going to come over here, hit this clear button, and it will refresh the whole page for you and throw out all of that you just did on your screen. Okay, so this is a pretty cool feature. It's Video Box. And this is basically it basically displays your videos in a beautiful looking mock-up. And I'm just gonna quickly grab a YouTube video ID. And the video ID is basically the ID that YouTube provides. And I'm just gonna copy this link. I'm gonna come over here. And you don't want the part after is equal to. So just erase that out and just keep the rest, all right? So you can also upload a custom elements on the center, but with this lion, yeah, you can change the mock-ups. It'll update right here in real time, you can see, and select a play button. Yep. That looks great. And let's see, you can also delay it. I'm just going to go ahead and turn this on and save it. And I can place this anywhere in the world, wherever you want there. The next feature we have is delayed pop-up. Now in the delay pop-up, you can show 2 different kinds of delays, one with the image and another one with embed code. And then I want a good link for this. So I'm going to just go here. I'm going to go ahead and put these cute puppies right here. Just put them there, yeah. And you can change the width and the height here. We're going to do 1920 by 1200. Well, let's see, maybe we'll do 1450. We'll try that one. Sometimes, yeah, we'll just check the dimension here. Make sure it's a good dimension. It's about a 10-second delay, and then go ahead and save it. Now to check the delay pop-up, you can always head over to the preview option right here, and within 10 seconds it's going to appear right over here. Ah, there it is. Beautiful, beautiful pop-up. So that's delay pop-up. I'm just going to go back over here and show you another feature. Now we have countdown timers next. Okay, so you see anything, you just first want to turn it on. And we have plenty of timers right here. I'm just going to go with the flipper version. I like this one. It's kind of cool. And you can just change the time a bit. And change the font. We'll say Century Gothic here. The font size 16. And we'll just say download your product. And perhaps you can change the background color. This looks pretty good. Once you're done, you can always disable and, it'll be right there. You can also preview from right there. So the next feature we have is an exit pop-up. So it's basically the same thing like the delay pop-ups. Whether it just it just appears, and when someone tries to exit, it appears. And you also have a couple options here. I'm just going to go with, I don't know, these dogs. They're nice. They look really cute to my eyes. Okay, so you put any URL right here. So where it's going to redirect to. let's say 1450 on this one, and we'll do 800. And I'm sure that this will look good. So you can also select, let's see, you can also select animations here for the pop-ups. And this is just a square that will show how animation works right here. You see it, just turn it on, save it, and let's preview it. Okay, head over to the previous section now. Okay, you should know that Chrome is not allowing to show the old pop-ups. So we just give a pop-up saying, do you want to leave the page? And then when I try to exit, this pop-up will come over. As soon as my mouse comes here, then this page will come over my screen. So that's how the exit pop-ups work. When you go to a certain point, that pop-up comes up. Now let's say I'm just going to clear this here. So I'll take all the stuff and clear it. Okay, now we have a custom image. And of course you can upload any image right here. I'm going to leave this for right now because the video length, we don't want to go too long. So the same thing goes with the HTML embed code. You can put any code right here, give it width, height, and run it, and turn this button on and hit the save button, and it will appear outside perfectly. We've got the retargeting pixel just so that you can put your retargeting code right here, and it will paste inside the code. And let's see, lastly, we have the meta details for our page. So let's say Elementio demo. Here, Elementio. Add elements. Fix that there. Boost conversions, you know, different kind of. Okay, so let's see on the description part here. We want to go Elementio, the ultimate conversion, hosting site, SaaS. Do that. Now, once you're done with that, you can just hit this button. It will automatically save. So I'm just going to apply some of this stuff right here. Turn this on, save it. Let's say go to the Pullbox here. And put this on. And we'll save it here as well. Let's say we'll put it right here. And then let's turn on correct it. Rather turn on characters here. And we're going to put that right there. And once I'm done with my campaign, I'm going to go ahead and hit the save button right here. Okay, good job. And your campaign is saved. The most important part is that if you do not hit this publish button in your campaign, it will not be published and all of your work will be lost. So if you don't want that to happen, make sure you click on the button publish and it will look beautiful. Okay, and here's the pop-up that says your campaign has been successfully published. Now you pretty much, you know, all of this stuff, this is all you'll ever need to promote this right here. So you've got actions. You can go ahead and view the campaign that you just created. You can also add from here or delete this campaign, copy the link of the campaign and copy the script. Now we're still working on this script part to make it perfect. So keep sending us messages so that we know, keep sending us feedback so that we know how we can improve this. And you can watch a quick demo right over here, from right over here, about how the script works. Okay, now this is your main page. So if someone clicks on your characters, they'll be redirected to Google. And the same thing would happen if I click right here, and I'll be tracked as a click back there. And let's say submit this, and it will be submitted and the page will redirect. You see? So that's how it works. And once you know someone submits, you can always come here to check what happened and click once on notify box, once on Pullbox, once on the character box. Okay, and here's the answer. I just selected Exhibit B and the Pullbox, and here's the IP address I accessed the page from, so all the statistics here. And you can also check how the campaign will look on different kinds of devices. So you can see there. And then you can just, when you're done, click the X. And if you can also do the URL shortener. And you can take the, here. Yeah, it's pretty much easy there to set that up. You also can share all of your campaigns with one click on social media. So yeah, that's pretty much how Elementio works. We've got a pretty cool integration also of Usign right here. So if you're a Usign user, you can just put in your key and token right here, and it will bring all of your credentials over, your images, etc., into the image library back there, and you can use them with Elementio. So that's pretty much how Elementio works. I hope that this video helps you get through.